Dirt Fishman here, y'all. It's my boy, and we want to say hello before we get started.
Hello.
Today, y'all, we're going to open up some premium cars and some newer cars that we acquired this week. So stick around and see what we got. 1 second. All right, stick to the side. First, y'all, we're going to open up the cars and donuts. This one here is going to be the Alfa Romeo. Sometimes premiums are hard to open up. Keep my finger there. All right, open it up. Uh-oh, first we got to put the turner on.
It's heavy.
Because it's metal on metal, baby. Check the out out, y'all. Got the number 2 on the side of it, silver. It's a nice color. Up next is going to be the BMW M1 Protocol.
Coffee.
It's cars and donuts. I almost said coffee and donuts.
Coffee and donuts?
Open it up.
Silly.
I almost said coffee and donuts.
Why?
That's got a protector in it. Get that piece of plastic out of there. Don't drop the car. Put it in my hand. All right.
Is it heavy?
Yes, it's heavy.
Not
Okay.
heavy. Not heavy to me.
All right, put him on there.
It will be heavy.
Yeah. Check out that, y'all. The BMW. Up next for the cars and donuts going to be the McLaren P1. Another nice one in orange and black. You ready?
That's a nice color.
Can you get it, baby? You need me to help you get started. No, wait a second. Watch out. There we go. Now get it out. All right. The detail on that thing looks nice.
Too close to getting that one.
Mm-hmm. Yes, we are. Get the P1 out. Right now. All right, y'all. This right here is well, this here is the 80s. It's the Mazda RX-7. There you go. Open her up.
It was right a hole in it for me.
Yeah, there we go. I like this color right here, y'all. This Mazda. It's a nice color. Mm-hmm. Up next, going to be Muscle Mania Custom Ford Maverick.
That's number 1 right there.
Up next one is going to be the Pagani. I can't even announce it, y'all. I'm going to put it in the camera for y'all to see the name of it. That's the name of it. The Turbo Series. One second. We'll get to it. We'll get to it. Baby. Step over here. Come on. Come step right here. We'll get to it. We're almost there. Right here is new for 2019. The 16 Bugatti Chiron. There you go. I don't got any Bugatti in my collection yet. That's going to be a Matchbox 50th anniversary super fast Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6.
6x6?
Yeah.
Truck?
Yeah. I got a blue one now. I got a gold one.
I did you get a gold one? How did it go on?
I found it. Check that bad boy out. All right, y'all. Up next, going to be for this year's Godzilla, the Nissan Skyline GTR 32. Easy. He just got Godzilla on it. Watch out, if we get to that one. We get to that one. All right, y'all. This one here is going to be the Wonder Brothers, the Mystery Machine. I ain't got one of these in my collection. There you go. Check that one out, y'all. Up next, going to be new for 2023 is the BMW 507. That's the Braille card. That's for the blind. Here you go.
What are they doing?
I don't know.
They're just something aside. Look. Yes. Yum, yum, yum,
Yeah.
yum, yum, yum.
Up next, going to be new for this year, y'all, is another electric car, but I can't pronounce it, so I'm going to put it in the camera for y'all to see. Just going to focus on it. There we go. Here you go.
Do how I do.
Wait a second, babe. We get that one last. All right, y'all. Up next is going to be the Mazda 787B, the race car. Open that bad boy up, son. It's a pretty one here. I like this one.
It's really tiny ship.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Up next is going to be the Tune 83 Chevrolet Silverado in a different color for this year.
It's a little bitty.
Mm-hmm.
Why is this a little bitty truck?
It's a Tune, baby. It's meant to be tiny. That's how it's made. All right, y'all. Up next is new for this year is the twin mill in Braille for the blind. See, that's the blind people, baby. They can feel that and they can tell what this car is. See, on the back of it too. Open it up. I'll show you something on the back of it too. Open it up.
The Johnny Bomb one too.
Yeah, see, the blind people, baby, they can read that. They know how to feel it and they can read. And it tells them it's a twin mill. Ain't that cool?
Mm-hmm.
All right, y'all. That's going to be it for our little video right there. Going to swing it around and say our goodbyes real quick.
Bye 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 bye
Get back.
bye.
Bye, y'all. If y'all like what y'all see, subscribe to our channel, please, and tell y'all's friends and help us grow our channel. What'd you say?
Peace out.
Peace out.